Greetings everyone, this is Team 6 and today we are going to be taking a look at our software demonstration. We've created an application called Secure Vote, which is an anonymized blockchain voting platform with real-time analytics. So we're going to be performing this in a split screen mode. On the left side we have the admin login and on the right side we have the user login. For the admin login, they'll be sharing a common admin password, whereas the credentials will help differentiate between the different admin. So in the admin page, we have two major functionalities. One would be the real-time analytics and create election button. So the create election will lead us to the election form. Here we will fill in the basic information required for the election which is about to take place between the two parties, and we'll fill in the date and the timing which it starts and the timing with which it ends. Um, Beyond this, we'll be filling in the details about the candidates. So after we click create election, we can move on to adding the candidate details. So we'll be entering the candidate details one by one. Um, as seen over here, there are three fields, which is the candidate name, the image, and the description. And then we press add candidate, and it adds the candidate details to the database. And then we're adding the second candidate. Um, with the same procedure. All right, once we've added all our candidates, we can host the election. The JWT implementation has made sure that only the admin can enter these details and create an election. So now we've entered back to the admin dashboard on the left side, where the live analytics or the pie chart for the ratio in which uh, they are getting votes will be displayed in lifetime. On the right side, now we are entering the user dashboard. So the details which we have entered earlier regarding the election and the candidates have been displayed here for easy access of the people who are voting. So as you can see, there's two primary buttons over here. That's the click here button and the vote now button. The click here button leads us to the smart contract, which allows the users to understand how their data is being used. So that's transparency, which in turn builds integrity. And hence, they're able to know how their data is being used and what kind of data is being stored. So as you can see, this is the smart contract. This works in line with the blockchain. Now we are going to click the second button, which is the vote now button, which will send a mail to the email address which we authenticated at the beginning for the user login. So we have to go to the email address. This acts as a two-step authentication, as we have to have the login credentials and we need to have access to our email address to access this uniquely generated link, which can be accessed only once. So upon clicking the link, it will redirect us to the MetaMask page. Here we'll connect to the MetaMask, which connects us to the blockchain, which enables the functionality of voting. This makes sure that this integration of blockchain ensures that we vote confidentially. So as you can see, both the candidates have been mentioned here, and now we can vote for the candidate we want. And once we click on vote, it'll open up the MetaMask confirmation page. And upon clicking confirm, the page will inform us that we've successfully voted for the character which we've chosen. And this would update the pie chart as mentioned earlier. It's set to a 3-second timer to automatically check for new votes and reorganize the pie chart. So far we've seen the functionality of the user voting and the admin side of the things.